And what we're going to do is you just turn to that direction like this and bring the arms like this here. Up, up, and go 1, 2. And when you bring your arms down, you're using this outer edge right here. Right here, like this. 1, 2. Now when you come up with the front arm, you'll notice I'm going to use the inner edge of the arm right about here. This part here. As I lift up across my body this way. See how I'm coming across my face? So about from the shoulder there, across. Then the other one follows behind it. See, 1. Then I'm repeating again. 1, 2. Lift, punch. You take the inner edge of the arm and lift, punch, lift, and as you start to lift, you bring your other hand back like this way here. And when you bring it out, you twist it out, see? Like that. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. Look at my waist now, this part here, waist. Like this, just like this. So when you do these strikes, you're putting your hip here and your waist. See how I turn my waist with it? Trying just one side to show you, see? 1. Exhale. As you bring the arm out, go